Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me and Ryan, and I'm back actually with a pretty good day trading recap. So today levels were amazing. It's just execution. I stopped out. Um, the first trade was really good, but I stopped out on this trade here. I stopped out here. Could have been a really nice, almost $8 move after the short here at 202. 69 area, and then the target could have been really nice here, 195. Imagine I have this targets here way back in my previous levels, previous days levels. You can see that I've had this even in the past couple of days. But yeah, these levels are amazing. 195, 35. I'm not sure where is it right now, but I know that it's a thick line. I know that it's a major level. Um, yeah, so I was short bias on Tesla. I think it was gapping down, but I don't know if it's 19201 was the 116. Yes, I think gapped down a little bit. It broke up. Yeah, I was really close to taking this long here at 200. Happened there. I was really close to taking this 200 trade here, but I missed it, and then I waited a little bit. It moved crazy, $2 move, and then I shorted it at 202. That was actually a really good one. Both sides, you probably could made money if you know this 200 level would be about to be broken, but it was just too fast. And it was taking like high of day and stopping out at high of day. Yeah, it was great. Trading price action in this one really. Um, let's look at my scanner first because scanner was actually not that great today. One sec. Yeah, so this what I had in the morning. The number one was AI and PLTR. Let's look what happened to AI actually. Yeah, I did sell off. Yeah, PLTR. Let's look. Yeah, so it just hovered around. It didn't really move much. Same for AI. Yeah, so it chopped around, but Tesla was actually the best of all. So Tesla was not here, so I had to change my stock screener, change it to zero point 0.2 instead of 0.25. By default, it's 0.25. So I had to change it so I can see more stocks that has less relative volume because yeah, I like Tesla. I like to trade Tesla when I don't like anything here at all. Although AI had a really good volume, but AI, yeah, it's a 90 million float, so below 100 million float, it's a little scary for me to trade. It can move crazy, and it's probably have large spreads. It's just maybe kind of liquid. So is it NICE? Yeah, it's also a NICE stock. So it's somewhat manipulated most of the time, and it's very liquid, so it can stop you out right away. Let's see what's the spread in AI. So the spread in AI. So yeah. Oh wow. Hard to borrow. So you can't even short this. Not shortable. Yeah. So this stock is not shortable. So it's an SR. So yeah, I yeah. It's just I know that I had to avoid this stock. HDB means hard to borrow. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, symbol is not shortable, hard to borrow. Yeah, so you can only probably take this long. I don't know if there are available shares to shorts on this one. Next one was PLTR. Let's look at PLTR. So yeah, so range was about 50 cents. So yeah, it's a $14 stock. So 50 cents actually not a bad move. So let's add AI here, see how much it moved for. Oh, $4. Right? Oh, that's PLTR. Sorry. Wrong. Let's see how much it moved. Yeah, 67 cents on a $40 stock. Let's say, yeah, so less than like a little more than 1%, 67 cents. So yeah, it's just oh no, looking at the wrong stock. I'm sorry, 14 cents. So that's about 3% move. Yeah, so Tesla, that's a really good move for a $200 stock. So it's about move about 3% to 4, 6, 8, so about 4% move for the day. So imagine you can get 1% out of it. Um, that's pretty good. So out of 4%, you get 1% net profit. That's pretty good. Yeah, so that's how I kind of think about it. What else? Let's delete this. So yeah, I only traded Tesla, which is, I've been trading this since yesterday. Let's look at our watch list. So nothing really here. I think AMD was here earlier. Yeah, AMD. See what happened in AMD. Oh, it sells off. It did sell off. Yeah, it's about to sell off. Yeah, gap up. Yeah, so this is a gap up, gap up strategy. Second day, gap up. It continued. Third day, yeah, it needs to sell off. It's at 130 as well, so it needs to sell off at 130. Now it's at 120, so that's a $10 move. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Imagine if you've been am I showing? Yeah, imagine if you were consolidating your not consolidating, like accumulating your shares here. That's yeah, that's good. Even a breakout here, that's a really really good move. So for for the year, it's up 119%, 120%. That's pretty good. It's only 10% from the highs. Tesla, yeah. So where did I get 203? And let's look here. So I have levels. One sec. So levels at 195. Yeah, it was that was a long there. 195.50 and 203 area. So this area here, where did I get this? Ultimate short was about 204 from yesterday. So I have the red line here, but I was trying to slowly get into shorts. The first one was really good. And target was actually 195. That's why I even added here. So let's just discuss my trade today. So what happened was there's a 200 level here, which is a key level, and there's a 198 here, a key level for a breakdown, because yesterday it did not break that 198. So let's see. So yesterday was a key level, I think 198. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, so that was a key level yesterday. It did not break down. It did continue to go up. Um, yeah, it was having a hard time breaking that 198 yesterday. Um, yeah, and then yeah, whoever's taking that long there probably stopped out. Um, yeah, so whoever's holding the shares here stopped out, and then it flushed down to 195.50. So that's where our area is. Yeah, so let's see. Yesterday, 204 was the kind of like the highest. And the reason why I shorted it because I missed the 200 move. So whoever, but the volume was somewhat really good. Let's look. Put this on top. Move up. So now the volume, first candle volume is about 1.6 million volume. And the candle moved about, sorry, move up. And the candle moved about, as you can see here, about $2. So $2 move for a first candle in Tesla, it's a lot. So I waited a little bit. I didn't even short it here. I know I have 202 and risk 203 max. Um, yeah, yeah. So that's what I did here. Imagine if you got this $200 break, you got a $2 move out of it. So that's a 2 to 1 if you risk a dollar. If you risk 50 cents, that's really good. You could have been done in just less than a minute, and then stop you out at break even if you still have shares. The reason why I did not take this long is it's just I still have this 203 level here that I know that's going to be a resistance. And if you look at daily on Tesla, it's way overbought. Um, way overbought. We'll look at it in this. And so what I did there, I shorted when it touches 202. So around this price here, 201.80, it was holding a little bit. So it paused. So what I did was it paused. When it paused, okay, so I said, okay, there's a resistance. I can watch 202. And it opened here. It went up. It rejected. When it rejected 202, it went back. Then I shorted right away at this before the candle even turned into red because I'm just gonna risk 250 in case. So half of what I'm gonna risk, which is like a dollar move. I need a dollar move for me to make money. I'll risk half out of it, so it's not a full size, full stop. So slowly taking profit here at 201. Yeah, just 10% partials, and then when I reach around 205.50, I took 25% here, and another 25% here, 200, and then I waited a little bit. It paused. I thought it's going to reverse back and defend this open here. Yeah, it kind of 199, 199.78. So that was the open. So I actually took more. Let's see. Actually took more. So I was taking more around 200 area. Yeah, so 200 area, and then one here at 220 cents. And when it flushed, I said, okay, that's it. So I was almost out of shares. I still have some left. Added, I even added here 82s because I thought it's gonna go to 198, right? So whatever I have left, whatever shares I have left, I just doubled it, and then my average cost now is somewhere here at 200, I think 200 or something, or 199.50. So that was a short, and I stopped out after a dollar move, 198 to 199. So I said, okay, I'm gonna stop out before even I reach my stop because I know it's gonna squeeze up. That was a little bit of FOMO because I saw 198 as a level, but I know it's just gonna consolidate. So I waited a little bit. I reshorted it again at 201. Yeah, around 201 area. When it did this red candle here, I thought it's gonna hold at 201.50. So that was my risk. So this is a small share. I just added whatever I lost in here. I re-added it back here, hoping for a 198 break. So that's what I did. I waited patiently. I saw 203 level that is. I said, oh, it's not gonna break. It's not gonna break. Um, yeah, so that's what I did here. This is a full size. Take note, this was a full size, so I made a good profit here, which means I can risk more, a little bit more today. Normally, I'm one and done. I'm a one and done trader, but I took a short here, risking just the highs of that, which is 269. I had this 269. Let's find that level later. So 203 max, and then slowly taking partial. This is a dollar move as well. I caught a dollar move. So this is 202.41. I did not. Yeah. So this 202.41. So I got a 50-cent move, almost a dollar move. Yes, almost a dollar move. It did touch 41, but I did not take profit there. It was just too spready. I think I did not. When I saw that it did make a new white candle here, I took more profit and then stop out break even. So that's a small slippage there. 41, stop out of 45. A little slippage, and I'm happy. And then it rejected 203. Yeah, I said, should I take one more short? I did not because I thought it's gonna continue to go to 205. That's the reason why I did not short. And look what happened. Just flushed all the way down. Could have been a really, really nice profit. Yeah. Okay. Looking at it makes me, you know, I feel frustrated, but it's fine because that's how trading is. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't get lucky. So it's better to stop out because if not, it could just easily break out that 204, and it will just take away whatever profit I made, or maybe a little half of my profit, which I'm not willing to give back because it's a slow process. I don't want to, I just don't want to give back basically and ruin my week. So it's been a great week. Yeah, so yeah, I've seen these moves before. I miss the whole move, but sometimes I do catch these moves. Um, yeah. What else? 195. Yeah, where did we get the 195 level? Yeah, let's look at Tesla. Okay, so as you can see here, let's look at. I don't have the level here, which is weird. Um, so at daily, if you look, I have 203. Yeah, so that's the level that I have. So I don't know where I got that again. Seriously, sometimes I don't even know where I got levels. Oh yeah, here. Probably, yeah, this one here. That's the level. Oh yeah, this one here. So 203 is a significant level. If you're gonna short it, yeah, this will be so this is an indecision. That's the thing. It's an indecision candle. It doesn't know where it's gonna go. It's going both sides. So yeah, it's if it loses below that, it's probably a good short. If it's strong above that, then it's probably gonna continue and break 205. So yeah, to my knowledge, it's probably gonna move back to probably 192 and then break that 205. It will eventually break that 205 to 210s. As you can see here, it did that a few times. So yeah, 203 here. I don't have levels anymore. The 195, what's this? 195.55. Where did I get that? I have it in my DAS, but I don't have it in this. So 195. 190. Oh, I have 194. No. Yeah, seriously, I don't know where I got that anymore. I need to clean up my Finvis chart. Let's look at DAS. Maybe we can find it in DAS. Okay, let's see if we can find that in DAS. So 185.35. Let's go weekly. I can't even see it anymore. That's what I hate about. That's what I hate about DAS. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, it's hard to find. So it's this one here. How do I? Yeah, sorry about that. I know it's a level there somewhere. Uh, this 185.35 or 185.50. I know it's a level somewhere. I probably caught it right when I was trading it. I don't have it in Finbis, which is weird. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you for watching. It was somewhat a really good day for me. It's just I could have been better. But those days are happening all the time. So you have to get used to it. Don't get frustrated. Leave your trading desk. That's what I did here. I had to leave because if not, I'm probably just gonna overtrade again. Um, yeah, because it happens a lot. Right? And you give back all your profits after making them. Yeah. So today was great. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and I'll get back to you. And if you have, you know, you need mentorship, if you think I can help you, just let me know. Yeah, and see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Tomorrow is Thursday, so 2 more days. Tomorrow is the end of the month. It's 31st already. So it's been a great month, actually. It's been a great month for me. All right, bye guys. Have a good week or have a good day. Cheers.